Hi everyone! If you're looking for some family-friendly content, then this channel's for you. My name's Chris Fitz, and this is my super simple art class for kids. Each week, we're going to focus on a new topic, and I'm going to teach you fun facts throughout the entire art lesson. So not only are you going to draw a cool cartoon, you're going to learn a lot the whole time. So make sure you stay till the end. And if you subscribe, you'll be in the know for all of the upcoming art lessons, and you can check all the previous ones. Today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about honeybees. You don't need a lot of supplies. You just need a piece of paper, a marker, and some colors. Whatever you have around the house will work just fine. I'm so excited to see what you create. All right, let's draw.
First, we're going to start with the eyes. Draw one circle, and draw a little bigger one right next to it. Then we're going to put dots in the centers. Now we're going to add the head. And do a little bit of a oval shape. And let's throw in some antenna. And a mouth.
Bees have 6 legs, 3 body segments, 2 wings, and 5 eyes. They range anywhere from 2 millimeters to 24 millimeters, and their brains are about the size of a sesame seed.
Now for the body. I'm going to start down here, a line, and then up here for the shoulder. And we're going to make him look hairy. And a little bit more. Stinger, and then we're going to do the wings. We'll line across, and then we're going to circle like this. Now the second wing's going to be behind. We'll do
Honeybees can beat their 2 wings over 200 times per second. That's why they're so noisy. When a worker bee goes out and finds something good to eat, they can fly back to the beehive or the nest at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. When they communicate with each other to let them know, hey, I found some good food, they do the waggle dance.
Now we'll draw the lines inside the wings. These are transparent, so we're going to color them a little bit lighter. Just add some lines. Same on this one behind here. And then this is a bee, so I'm going to do a flight line, just like we did with the ladybug. To show flying. And a little tick marks here for movement.
There are 3 types of honeybees in a colony, and one colony can have up to 50,000 bees. So there's the queen, and she's in charge of running the hive and determining which bees are going to be drones and worker bees. The worker bees are the females. They gather all the food, they keep the beehive clean, and the drones are the males, and they comfort the queen and take out the trash. Can you find the queen? Great job! Give yourself a pat on the back, you did it! Now it's time to color. If you're enjoying this art lesson, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. Honeybees have over 170 odor receptors, which means they have a great sense of smell. They can eat nectar or pollen from over 50 to 100 flowers in a day. Over 1/3 of our food comes from a honeybee's pollination efforts. That's like 80% of the plants around the world. A bee's nest is made by bees, and a beehive is made by humans. The hexagonal shape that they make is called a comb. Some bees produce beeswax, which is used to build the comb, which is where they store their honey or protect their eggs. We use beeswax in things like candles and chapstick. Honeybees are just one of the 16,000 species of bees worldwide. They're on every single continent except Antarctica because it's too cold, and they navigate around by using the sun. They're Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had just as much fun as I did. Don't forget to check out last week's art class and stay tuned for next week's art class. I'm so excited to see what you create. If there's something you want to draw and learn more about, let me know on Instagram. See you next time.